appointment with Sandeep on Monday, September 15th at 7 a.m. Hi, am I speaking with Prabhu Patharkar?
Yes. Who's it? Hello.
So this is Sarah calling on behalf of Sandeep at Fast AI. I see you filled out a form on our website about real estate. May I ask a couple of quick questions to better understand what you're looking for?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Thank you, Grateful. What kind of property are you currently interested in?
Somewhere in the vicinity of about $1 million, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and I prefer near Boston.
Got it, Praful. Are you looking to buy within the next few months?
Oh, sure. I'm almost, ready to jump.
Well, it sounds like Sandeep can help you find a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath property near Boston within your budget. Would you like me to check available times for a quick call or property viewing?
Sure. Yeah. Go ahead.
Praful, I found available times on Saturday, September 13th between 6 to 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Which time works best for you?
Can you do it on Monday, please? Sorry.
I'll check available times for Monday now. Praful, on Monday, September 15th, Sandeep is available from 6 to 7 a.m., 7:30 to 8 a.m., 8:30 to 9:30 a.m., and 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Which time would you prefer?
Anything after 10 a.m. I don't get up early.
Okay, Praful. I will book your appointment with Sandeep on Monday, September 15th at 10 a.m. May I have your email address to confirm the booking?
That's my first name, last name at gmail.com. prafulthakkar@gmail.com.
Thank you, Praful. I'm booking your appointment with Sandeep on Monday, September 15th at 7 a.m. Your appointment with Sandeep is confirmed for Monday, September 15th at 10 a.m. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, thanks a lot. Looking forward to talking to Sandeep. Thanks.
This is no problem. We look forward to helping you find your ideal property. Have a great day.
Yep, thanks.
Praful, what was the day it did the booking?
15th, 15th September, 10 a.m.
15 September, 10 a.m.?
Yep.
Yeah, real estate demo. You got it booked.
All right. So if you see my screen, guys, it got it. So the thing is, it works.